Good morning from the Kobo booth here at ECOC, demonstrating advanced technologies for interconnect solutions. Senko is a long-time active participant in the Consortium, and we're here demonstrating some leading-edge technologies. Let's talk about Senko for a minute. Its mission is to advance interconnect solutions and really be a leading provider of capabilities. In this summer, they acquired CudoForm technology. CudoForm technology has this unique optical bench capability. It's based upon metal properties, and the metal properties allow thermal stability, low profile, and very accurate features stamped into the bench. And let me give you an example of such features. We have a demo here that shows the mirrors and the V-grooves for receiving and aligning optical fiber. Our particular part here would have index matching epoxy with a glass lid. Very safe, very clean, and low profile, allows it to be applied to the edge or applied as a detachable in the future. One thing we're striving to do is increase the fiber count from 8 fiber to 16 fiber in a timely manner. Sometime next year we'll make that announcement, but you get a preview today here at the Kobo booth at ECOC. Thank you for your time and attention.